An Airtable is simply a row in your table. Each one represents a single item, task, contact, or entry you want to track. Creating one is quick, and, once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Airtable website. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so you don't accidentally add data to the wrong place. Next, open the base that contains the information you're managing. A base is like a project or database, and inside it, you'll see one or more tables, which look a lot like spreadsheets. Click into the table where you want your new record to live. If you're not sure which table to choose, think about the type of item you're adding. For example, a new lead belongs in a leads table, and a new task belongs in a tasks table. With your table open, scroll all the way to the bottom. In the grid view, you'll see an empty row waiting for you, often labeled Add Record. This is where you'll create your new entry. Click on the Add Record button, or click directly into the empty row to begin. Now enter your information into the fields across that row. Each column is a field with a specific type, like single-line text, number, date, checkbox, select, or attachment. Use the field type as a guide for what to enter. For dates, click the calendar icon to pick a date. For attachments, you can click into the cell to upload a file. Use the Tab key to move quickly from one field to the next, and keep your formatting consistent so your data stays clean. If you see fields that look required or have validation, fill those in to avoid errors and keep your records complete. When you've filled in what you need, press Enter to finish the row, or simply click anywhere outside the row. Airtable autosaves as you go, but pressing Enter is a clear way to finalize the new record. Finally, confirm that your record appears in the table. You should see it added where you created it. If your table has filters or sorting applied, your new record might move to a different spot or be hidden by a filter. If you don't see it right away, clear filters, adjust sorting, or use the search box to find it. That's it. Your new record is created. With this workflow, you can add entries quickly and keep your base organized and reliable.